sir, you can't be doing that. See that video sign over there?
May I get your name and badge number, please, sir?
Why?
I'd like to know the name and badge numbers of all the public servants that come in contact with me.
Why?
For accountability and transparency purposes, sir. May I get your name and badge number?
Right there. See that video? See?
That's not your name and badge number.
Video. See? It says no
Oh,
video.
I've already recorded that sign, sir.
Okay, then you know you're not supposed to. So if I call the state police and they come down here and they take you off, then...
Sir, can I get your name and badge number, please?
I'm not falling in for that trap, all right?
It's a trap to identify yourself to a member of the public?
Yes.
Really? That's interesting. Sir, how is it a trap to give me your name and badge number? How is that a trap, officer? How is it a trap to give me your name and badge number? And be professional with members of the public? Capitol Police will be down? So it looks like the Capitol Police have arrived. We have an officer walking. Hey, how are you?
How you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
You up to?
I'm just taking some pictures and video.
Yeah.
Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Yeah, Officer Fogarty, badge 23.
Nice to meet you. My name is Sean, by the way. Just taking some pictures and video of the facility here.
Yeah, well, I'm just coming because you're wearing a bulletproof vest, so you got the attention you wanted, so...
This is a utility vest.
Utility? Oh,
Yeah, it's
it
utility.
Looks like one. No, you get why that would look like that, right?
It's a utility vest. I used to hold all my batteries and cameras and everything else. You see the camera?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
So what's your plan? Just take some video?
Just take some pictures and video out in public here.
You can get.
Hopefully I don't get any reaction, officer. That's the goal. Hopefully I don't get any. It's a little too late for that, it looks like.
See that sign right there?
Oh yeah, I recorded it already.
Oh,
Yeah,
you saw it.
I saw the sign, yeah. I saw the sign when I pulled up.
That you can't videotape here, right?
But there's no, because there's no statute associated with that sign. It's just a sign.
Yeah, but
Right? It's just a sign.
It's a sign because this is a government building.
A public building.
It's a public. I mean, it's not really public. You can't enter the building.
You can't enter the building, but it's funded by the taxpayers. This is public property. I'm not going. My intentions are not to go and break inside of a correctional facility.
What are your intentions?
To take pictures and video from public.
Well, exactly. Yeah, but
my name is Sean. I told you.
There's no video required here. So
well, no, I saw that sign as soon as I came up here, and I understand that anybody could put a sign. You could put a sign that there was, no people of color coming into this building, whatever the case may be. It could be any type of sign you could put up there, but that doesn't make it lawful, and it doesn't mean that it's attached to any sort of statute.
So you're not going to be allowed to videotape here, though.
So what lawful reason can I not video? Because I have a constitutionally protected right of First Amendment for freedom of press.
You're gonna spit the laws out.
I mean, spitting the laws out as a law enforcement officer, it kind of seems like that's what you want, right?
Yeah, but when video is restricted here.
But that's not a law. You're a law enforcement officer. It's not a law. If you could find me a law that says I can't video here, we could talk then. I don't see how a law can override the United States Constitution. That you took an oath, right?
When you went to the courthouse the other day, then they kicked you out. What was your?
Oh, I left voluntarily under threat of arrest.
Yes.
They'll be getting a federal lawsuit.
Well, I'm just trying to tell you that's what's going to happen here because you're not allowed to videotape here, so you can just.
But there's a difference because there was a judge's order.
Be busy then. Like I'm just telling you that's
there's a judge's order in the courthouse apparently that we'll find that out in the lawsuit. But there's no order here. There's no law. So
no,
for what reason?
Directly for the prison, but
okay.
I understand that is what they're saying that there is. So I don't know that specific policy that they have, but I'm sure it's very similar with the one that the judge has. So
well, a judge's order is a lot different than a policy.
Well, no, yeah, well, it's the judicial system right here, so it's going to be similar for a judge's order versus.
Can I speak to a supervisor?
Yeah, let me see if I can get one here for you. Oh,
sure.
My supervisor or a prison supervisor?
Any kind of supervisor that would know, probably your supervisor or law enforcement, because correctional officers aren't law enforcement officers, right? They don't have law enforcement ability.
Yeah,
their job is inside of that building. How you doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well. Doing well. You mind if I get your name and badge number?
Officer Scott, badge number 12, Rhode Island Capitol Police.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
Huh? Yeah, you did. What was Sean?
Yeah, my name's Sean.
What was your last name?
Oh, I didn't give it. I don't give out any private personal information other than Sean. I'm an independent journalist. Oh, I'm an independent journalist. I'm working on the story on this facility here. I'm just taking some pictures and video from public property. Don't plan on going inside unless you make me. Well, I don't think inside's a lot of fun. Yeah, just taking pictures.
We've got a phone call so we can. Came over. That's all.
Okay, yeah, no problem.
Oh, all right. How you doing?
Hey, how are you doing, sir?
We got a call for someone with a bulletproof vest walking around outside.
Oh, it's a utility vest. It's not a bulletproof vest. Utility vest just to hold my camera and my batteries and stuff. That's all.
Right.
You mind if I get your name and badge number?
Are you just taking video of the intake building just for like a First Amendment kind of check?
Yeah, just taking some pictures of video as
We
a
just wanted
journalist.
to make sure that it wasn't anything. We got a
Nefarious?
call, it looked like a bulletproof vest from the people that called in, so that's why we're here. So,
Okay, no, yeah, because he didn't mention the officer here. Are you law enforcement?
state police.
State police.
Yeah.
And your name, sir?
What's that?
Just
Your name
real
and
quick
badge number?
State police.
There are.
Can I get your
restricted
names and
areas.
badge numbers?
There are restricted areas.
I just want to know who I'm speaking to
Badge
first.
137.
43?
Just there are restricted areas.
Oh, I see the signs. Yeah, I see the
So as long as
signs.
you don't go in there. Help yourself out, all right?
Yeah, sure, no problem. And maybe if you could let him, the correctional officer there know.
He's just there to see the restricted area.
No, but he came when I was over here. So just so you let him know, maybe educate him a little bit, and we can, you know.
Also, the sign, the videotaping is still forward.
I know, but you know that there's no law associated with that sign.
Just.
It doesn't
if you would
override
just
the
stay out of restricted
Constitution.
areas, we'd appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't plan on going to restricted areas, sir.
All right, we appreciate it.
Have a great day. My name's Sean. What's your name? Adam. Nice to meet you, Adam. Take care, gentlemen. You guys have a great day. Stay safe out there. You got away this time with the lawsuit on your name. I'll get you next time.